with the John catch.
Bluegill.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big old bluegill. Heck, we could friggin'...
Oh, bring it up here on shore.
Yeah. See if I'm gonna set her good.
That's why it was pulling so hard.
Yeah.
That's a big old boy. Did he swallow it? No, he's got it just on his lip.
Perfect, yeah. We just gotta wait for him to get tired out.
Hang on here, I'll get that off of there. Oh, John, you hooked it. You hooked the snot.
Be gentle that we push back. Okay, yeah, it's backwards now. Push back. Don't push back. I said push.
Oh.
Don't rip and tear. Push into its mouth. There.
There you go. That's all on video. Chewing your dad out for the wrong. That's a big bluegill. I think he needs to be Spider-Man and fly.
That's a decent sized bluegill you got there. Flying lessons. Heard